Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live.
On the Gist today, we'll bring you a report of some civilians losing their lives after soldiers storm Orlu, Imo State. Let's check out details. Dozens of civilians are said to have lost their lives in an ongoing military raid on the villages of Orlu, Imo State in eastern Nigeria. The incident began after Nigerian army clashed with local vigilante group Eastern Security Network last week. It was said that government forces earlier last month, December 2021, began searching for operatives of the Eastern Security Network ESN, a local security group said to have been established by Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB). Report on social media showed military men moving around the street of Orlu shooting sporadically. According to some of the tweets on Twitter, we cited one from Timmy PR who says, Orlu is reportedly on fire at the moment. Head military men dressed in their uniforms are going from street to street, killing people in their homes and shops, setting places ablaze. Someone should please confirm this. The report said they discovered Eastern Security Network training camp at Orlu a few weeks ago and they came to fight the ESN. And on 9th January, the army came and threw tear gas at Banana Junction, Orlu, and were chased out. Yesterday, it was said that 10 ALOCs of Nigerian army arrived on the street and started shooting inside.
Why are they shooting? Why are they shooting?
Nigeria's region began establishing local vigilante groups in 2020 to combat worsening insecurity in the country, but the Nigerian military said the local vigilante group established by Kalu was illegal. More reports on social media claim that many people have died since the soldiers began raiding last week, and the survivors have fled their homes to safety. Let's check out some of the clips we found on social media.
I'm a money way.
Not sabi sugar. Yeah, no, see the head, they waste the bullet. Oh, I wish you this grass. I had now, no wala. So the sabi shoot like this now they no go for some eastern forest.
Yeah, they don't range.
Why are they shooting? Why are they shooting?
Oh my God, look at them right now. Look at them, oh my God, oh Jesus, I want to go home, oh my God.
This is how they march.
Jesus, I want to go home.
This is how they march.
Oh my God, I want to go home. Jesus.
The governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodinma, has declared a dusk to dawn curfew in 9 of the affected council areas. Uzodinma, in a statement by his spokesman Oguwike Nwachukwu, said the curfew followed disturbing reports on the activities of a group of militants that unleashed mayhem on residents of Orlu. He urged security agencies to fish out the perpetrators without fail, and the governor said the curfew was an interim measure to immediately restore peace in the area. Well, this is trending on social media and the claims in different quarters have been different. But we however keep our fingers crossed as we bring you more reports in just a little bit. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.